Guys, we're so excited to show these magic construction blocks that we got. It is dinosaur themed and we love dinosaurs, and these are absolutely adorable. Each set came with everything you see right here that we have set up, and a nice storage bag that you're able to store all of your blocks when you are finished playing with them. And it comes with 4 dinosaurs, 2 people, and 2 eggs. And inside these eggs are so cute. It's a little dinosaur, and you get this little Bronchiosaurus and this T-Rex dinosaur. So it's super fun and it gets the kids' creative mind going. I absolutely love these. The quality of these magnetic construction blocks are amazing. These would be a great gift to give any friend or family member. This is perfect for Christmas, birthday parties, or any other holidays. If you're needing a gift idea for a friend or a family member or your own child, I highly recommend looking into these Dino Zone Magic Construction Blocks.